Good morning, geocachers, treasure hunters and thrill seekers. It's early October. It's early on a Sunday morning, about 7:30 in the morning, and I'm out doing a few caches. I'm heading to one called the House of Sammy and Jamie and Family. And it's about 2.7 kilometres away. Let's get looking. I'm currently heading up West Road in Filey. Been staying at my mother's for the weekend. And a lot of this cache will involve a lot of roadside walking because I'm heading towards a little village called Gristhorpe. So there might not be much to see on the way, but I guess we'll find out, eh? Just coming into view up ahead, we've got Filey Fields Court, which is a new build development, assisted living for people who need extra support. And my mum's moving in there. And by the time this is uploaded, hopefully she'll be in there and settled. So I'm now walking along Scarborough Road, which is the main road between Filey and Scarborough. And over there, that's actually the cliff top. And just beyond that, you've got the North Sea. In my last geocaching video, I left Filey by the other route, Mustang Road route. And just down here on the left-hand side, there's one of the first caches I ever did. And if you look back through the log, I can't remember what it was called, but some of my early Filey ones, it's in there. Quite a beautiful morning this morning. A lot of rain yesterday, but today, to set off, a bit breezy, but at least the sun's shining, eh? Always a bonus. Crops have been harvested. Trees are starting to turn yellow, and it's getting a little cooler on a morning, hence the gloves. Currently about 1.4 kilometres away. Over here, just approaching the roundabout on the outskirts of Filey. It's a bit mucky. Up ahead in the distance, at the end of this next straight bit of road, there's another roundabout. That's where I'm going to be turning off to head into Gristhorpe. I think you can see that, 760, 750 metres. There we go. 740 metres or so. I haven't been down this road for years. This used to be the main road between Filey and Scarborough until the bypass was built in the 80s. So yeah, it's going back to the 80s since I was last down this road. Nearly there. Well, I found it. And as you can see, it's quite a large package, this one. Well wrapped up. Quite a few bits and pieces inside, sweeties and stuff for the kiddlywinks. Right, so I signed it, logged it, popped it back. On to the next one, which is called Watch Out for That Horse. And the hint for this one is stump. Good thing about this is it's only about 500 metres away. Let's get looking. It really is quite quaint, this area, with a lovely kind of old cottagey vibe. Well, what can I say? I foraged about all over the place looking for this one. And I was just about to give up when I found a good pokey stick, because it's quite nettly and brambly in the area. And I had a good poke around with the stick and found it. Oh God, can't believe I missed it actually. It was pretty much in plain view. Right, I've signed it, logged it, popped it back. That was a real chew for me, that one. I've left a bit of a clue for the next treasure seeker, which in the form of a pokey stick, because I think you need one for that one. Anyway, I quite enjoyed that one. Sometimes the hard ones, the ones you're about to log as a do not find, sometimes they're the most rewarding. Hope you've enjoyed this. I know I have. It's a lovely day. I'm going to head back to Filey, to Couplands, get some pies and pasties for breakfast. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. It's entirely up to you. If you like what I'm doing on the channel, please subscribe and hit that bell notification. It costs you nothing, just means whenever I've uploaded another video, you get a notification when you open YouTube up. How fabulous is that? Alright, thank you so much for watching and clicking on this video. You take care of yourself. Cheerio.